So, you're okay with an import, allowing the president to impose an import ban na lang? Or for the law to impose an import ban on cigarettes and vapes?
Well, Mr. Chair, that's I think a policy issue, which
Siyempre, ang pinaka-policy natin is less smoker and less vapors. That's number one. And controlling supply will be very important. And then controlling making it inaccessible by price is another one through taxation. So, definitely ang outcome dito is less smokers. And therefore, less cardiovascular, COPD, COBD. So, I mean, that is the total. It's not about the revenues. The revenues is secondary. We're just presented here where just like the prohibition, the best way to lessen drinking is by taxing. So because if you just, so it's up to me.
yes, Mr. Chair, it would be easier for us if there's an importation ban.
Then you will be first border if it's a cigarette, not customs. You will be the first border. Just like DAI is now first border for all agricultural products, DAIE. Okay. So, okay na tayo na 60 pesos per ml sa vape. At saka wala nic salt, saka wala ng freebase. We'll take out that differential. Sa pack of cigarettes.
1 ml equivalent to 1 pack?
Actually, 1 ml is bigger than 1 pack.
I mean, yeah. What's the equivalence, right?
10,000 pops. Ang isang
There be some kind of a determination as to
mahirap
more or less. It's difficult to implement.
Eh yan, vapor yan katabi mo. Nagbi-vape ka pa ba? Hindi na.
I mean, I guess that
nakakailang pops ka sa isang ml. Di ba? Dami.
hindi ba dapat may ganon? Kasi baka in the end, may distortion pa rin because relatively, one may be relatively cheaper than the other, di ba? Because what you want to do is
we cannot make that right now. It's relatively not feasible to compare the number if it's on a tax per pop basis.
No, kasi right now, because of the tax, it's relatively quote-unquote cheaper, right?
So
vaping.
Yes.
On the basis of the tax regime.
Yes.
And we're seeing that there's a lot of shifting.
Yes.
Diba? So what we're trying to do is minimize
that's
that.
Not just shifting, but gatewaying.
Correct. So what we're trying to do is minimize that by increasing the tax or making it more uniform.
We're trying to increase the price for the gateway.
Correct. So in addition to that, the device, the vape, I don't know what you call it.
Wala nang device.
The vape device.
Yung delivery?
Yes. Is that taxed? It's not, right? I mean, it's just normal tax, right? So, magkano yun? If it's imported, it's just a normal tariff.
It was rejected before during the...
No, so I just want to know kung magkano. So in short...
There's no tax, but we propose a 20% ad valorem tax on...
Hindi ba dapat pag-aralan din yun? Because that's really the entry, that's the entry fee, di ba? Kasi if you're to be initiated into smoking, obviously, you need to purchase that. Magkano ba yun? How much is a vape device?
Dati, okay yan. Ngayon, disposable na lahat.
Hindi, kaya nga, which actually, if it's disposable...
You really tax na lang.
No, but if it's disposable, then all the more, it's actually you're making the case for taxing it like a normal cigarette stronger, diba? Because it's more or less just like a traditional
Tinatawanan ka
cigarette.
ni Sharon kasi yan talaga praktisado. Alam niya na...
No, I'm looking at it from a public health perspective. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to. I
Yes.
mean, I have two issues. Like from a public health perspective, is to reduce smoking, right? And number
Yes.
two, from an economic perspective,
Correct.
again, to try to reduce itong nakikita natin na shifting and then one. So yon, those are the two things that we're trying to fix.
Yes.
So, I think dapat mapag-aralan kung ano yung dapat gawin.
Ilang puffs ba talaga per...
No, I mean, before we go to the puffing, I mean, meaning the device itself, diba? I mean, kasi,
Stella,
especially if it's,
disposable nga siya.
no, yun na nga,
So,
but
hindi
more so because it's disposable now, baka yun ang kailangan mo rin patawan ng uniform tax, right? Kasi magkasama na.
Oo.
Yun na. So, yun na nga eh, di ba? So,
Hindi ka talaga nag-yossi.
no, so, what
Kung
I'm
sa sex
saying,
virgin na virgin ka.
no, but what I'm saying is, that now is a tax base for the BIR, right?
Yes, I agree.
So
but
we are losing the opportunity for the BIR to collect revenues and from a public health perspective to reduce smoking. I'm just saying for the
totally
record
agree.
that there is an opportunity for
Sino ba pwede
BIR
maglabas dyan ng,
To-
ng isang bay?
to make more money, right?
Para maintindihan nito.
No, naiintindihan ko na ngayon. You don't have to do it. I'm
Okay.
just saying that we don't have to decide on it today, but
We have to.
pwedeng pag-isipan kung
Ito,
hindi yun na nga kung yung mismong device
Pero to,
ay pwedeng But when you purchase it, do you purchase it separately?
no. You cannot use this if you don't have this.
Correct. But when you purchase it, do you purchase it separately? You purchase it separately.
Dati.
Oh, when you purchase it separately, then there's a
Okay.
those are two separate tax bases. So I'm just saying that for
Okay.
BIR, you
Propose it
might
now.
be able to make it's a potential tax base, and at the same time, for the DOH,
Do you have
it's
the
a
copy of the bill?
yes. Anyway, yun lang po. I
Can
just
you
wanna
propose
say
that? 20% ad valorem tax on the carrier? How do yes. Finally, you can save me.
As a former member of this committee in the BICAM, it's because there's several types. No, you have ICOS. The main product there is yung bala, no?
Oh, yung bala.
Not the device. You keep buying also for the others that you keep buying the pods. The main source of income, I think, are the pods, you know. But then there's that new device na disposable that you buy it as so it's a matter of how do you qualify that? How do you tax that? Kasi tama naman yung tax na yung pods talaga. These are the ones that
Do you think okay lang sa kanya yung we tax this? Okay, because the tax now is this one.
but